Hello, this is Shar from The Real Kitchen for Real People, and today I'm going to feature homemade French fries. So first of all, you need to get you a large potato. I'm just making French fries for two, and we'll peel this potato. This is how I peel mine, and sometimes you can use your potato peeler if you have one, but I always just use my knife. I've already showed you the hamburgers. They're on the channel already. So now I'm going to show you how I make my homemade French fries. Okay, while you're cutting this up, you want to fill your skillet up about 1/4 of a way with vegetable oil and heat it until it smokes. And you might test how hot it is with one French fry. Just put it in there and see if it starts, frying. But I'm gonna wash this potato. And I also wash my knife because I cut the potato outside. Even though I wash my potato on the outside, I still want to wash my knife at the end. Okay, put those aside. And I'm going to cut my potato in half like this. And then I cut it another half, and then I cut it like that. Then I'll take this potato and cut it real thin, like that. See that potato? That's French fry right there. So you keep cutting your potato until you get them about that size, while your oil is getting warm. You can finish cutting your potatoes. Okay, here are my French fries already ready, cut up and ready for the hot grease. Okay, I put the French fries in the hot grease and they're cooking, and I'm gonna cook them till they're nice and brown and crisp. So you can cook these as long as you want. It just depends on what type of French fries you want. If you want them crispy or lightly browned or whatever, but I usually try to cook these about till they're kind of dark brown, because we like them crispy. So I'm going to cook these until they're crispy. I'll be right back. And I want to mention, you don't have to put them all in there at one time. Matter of fact, they cook better if you put a handful at a time. Okay, while these are cooking, I like to remind everybody that I'm having my first giveaway for this channel, The Real Kitchen for Real People. So this is the first giveaway, so be sure to go to that video and subscribe if you haven't already, and like and also comment on what recipe you like the most and why. And that's all you have to do. But be sure to go to the video. It's called First Giveaway, and it's good through February 13th. So on the 14th, on Sweetheart Day, I will announce the winner. So good luck, and be sure to check it out. Okay, I've come back in here to check after 3 minutes, and you see how they're turning brown. And you just take a spoon and just kind of flip them over just a little, but be careful with hot grease. And do not leave anything cooking unattended. Even though you think you're going to be away for a minute, do not leave it unattended, because it'll cook faster than you think. And you see how those are turning brown, and I want them a little browner than that because I like them crispy. So I'm going to let them, and they're so good, so much better when you fix them at home than out. But, okay, so I'm going to let them cook a little longer until they're a little darker brown. But if you want to take them out at this point, you can. It just depends on your preference. Okay, these are nice and brown, and I'm going to take them out. I've folded a paper towel over here so they can drain the oil off and get them ready for the next step. Okay, here's my finished product. These are my homemade French fries that go along with my homemade hamburger. Now what I do on these, I'll sprinkle a little black pepper and Creole seasoning. This is the Creole seasoning I use. And I'll just sprinkle just a little bit on there because it's really strong. And it will make you sneeze if you inhale it. But this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed the video on making homemade French fries. And if you have not already, subscribe to the Real Kitchen for Real People to get these automatically sent your way, these recipes. And this is simple, but it's delicious. And I hope that you continue to stay safe and enjoy the rest of the day. Love, love. See you later.